Okay, now that we've gone through the configuration wizard, we'll be on the finish screen. If we have any errors or warnings, they'll be highlighted here. I went ahead and created one. Error 1, axis 0 positive hard limit is enabled, but it has not been defined. So if you highlight that and then double click on it, it'll take you to the fault screen. So you can see that we have enabled the positive and the negative hardware limit detection. So turning on the limit switches, but we've not actually assigned which input it is as the positive and the negative. I have a rotary system, so I'm going to disable that, but if I did have a limit switch, I would need to assign which input it is the positive and the negative. So I'm going to go ahead and turn those off and then jump back to the finish. So now that we know errors, we can download. If we had a warning's not going to prevent a download. And then by default, when we click finish, it's going to generate the system code and then download to the controller. I don't have any defines and programs yet, just the configuration. The 7000 series products are a flash-based memory product, so with this checkbox, it will save those to flash memory in case of a power loss or turning the controller off and back on. Then the configuration and the programs would be within the controller. If you do not check that, then every time on power up, some machines have the computer download the configuration, the programs to the 7000 on power up. New to Parker Motion Manager is the status screen, so it'll show you the progress percentage as the download is going. Program 15 is not actually a program, it's all the configuration information in HTML, so that's all done in the background. You don't need to worry about that. And then the download was successful, so that looks good. If there's any errors, it'll count the number of errors, and then if you click show report, it'll be highlighted in a red line. And you'll notice that is the system code. So when you close that out, the system code is what's actually generated when you go through the configuration wizard. Halt all, new all, clear, detach all. That's in case you were downloading, it would stop all the programs, and then new all erases all the programs and then clears out all the variables and then detaches all the axes. So the configuration wizard saves you having to learn all this, and the guided setup saves you quite a bit of time of generating this code. I think that's it. Thanks.